JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, and it is used to run our compiled Java program. To understand, let's take a look at the following example. We have a Java class called app with main function in it. When we compile, the compiler will compile the files and produce a .class file which consists of the bytecode. JVM resides on the RAM, and during the execution, using class loader, the .class files are brought on the RAM. The bytecode is verified by the bytecode verifier in JVM. The execution engine will convert the bytecode into the machine code. This is called just-in-time compiling. This is why Java program is slower compared to C program.